And oh god, there's so much fun. Yes, because it's also the one where we get to play video games with a video game. Yeah, we get to basically play as Quark in a little mini adventure that talks about it's basically like a video game series of an adventure that he supposedly had where he took out like a pirate. Yeah, but no, it was a ghost pirate where he took out a ghost pirate.
I just heard the guitar ringtone for...
Do I know how to forward lunge? I know how to do the jump, which I'm not going to do right now. So that.
Unlock the trophies, you unlock.
Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah, that's the other thing.
There's just so many things.
You gotta remember, I haven't played this game in a long time. In fact, apparently I never played it once I bought this. Because I don't have a save file for it. That I thought I had. Oh, cool! And there's the Yes. Yes, it is. But like I said though, make sure you guys tune in on Thursdays and Sundays.
Yes.
And that will be when I'm playing
Ratchet and Clank.
Ratchet and Clank. Which
And
apparently
if
we're
you
playing
miss
this
one, you
weekend.
can follow us on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm saying if you want to subscribe on YouTube, it's ZCS Game Zone, and all of my videos from all of my games are up there. What are we on, like 20 something?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's known as the Original Mask. The Original Mask was much. Path of Death. Anyways, but yeah, ZCS Game Zone on YouTube, and you can go to the playlist, and we're all on there. And there's over 20 episodes of me on there.
Of
So
Ratchet
close.
and Clank
Of
alone.
Ratchet and Clank alone, yeah, because I've played all of them. Now I will say, and I'm gonna say this honestly, so that you guys, don't call me out on it later. If something, my bad. Is I did not beat. Like, I don't have video footage of me beating the first game. And that would be because
Or the last boss.
Yeah, the last boss. And that would be because it took me, like, Drek, excuse me. It took me so long to beat that I ended up just saying, screw it, and I just recorded it on my own.
To center the camera,
However,
tap L1.
it didn't record it. Okay. I think I can do it. I don't have a lightsaber board. Woo! I actually thought that was going to be the end of that. Fire. Oh, I got hurt. Sorry. No skill point this time, kids. I can go through it again.
We're just gonna run into.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm just gonna,
Now that you got hurt once, it's just gonna be a continuous.
not that I
thing.
got hurt on the stupidest of things to get hurt on. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and buy the plasma.
To throw your whip, hold
Yeah! Sorry, I know that's just like really loud. There we go.
It wasn't loud.
Okay, good. No.
Not me.
Okay, we walked your path of death. Now, tell us what you know about Dr. Nefarious.
Huh?
Dr. Nefarious!
Yes.
They
I
say you're the
remember
only man to
the
ever beat him.
Quark-tastic games.
This guy's even dumber than
Captain Quark? Yeah, Captain
Captain.
Quark.
Yup.
That's it, Quark. You've had this coming for a long time.
Whip the new wrench.
Wow, he's gonna be hard.
Dang it, it's going over. I was hoping I could go through.
Maybe if you
It is Cork, mind you. We're not talking about any type of real challenge. Yeah, I gotta. Yes, you did. Oh, right. Oh, goodness. He just killed him. But I can do this thing. Yeah, like anything around me just dies. Done!
So, Quark has
And now
completely
he's
lost
a
his mind.
monkey.
Now what?
Just keep the mask on. He thinks you are his new leader.
Great.
Oh, that's so hate this. Yes, this is epic how they fly.
Incoming.
This is Captain Sasha of the Starship Phoenix. The President has
Yeah,
asked me
this is
to
your
assist
ship.
you.
Hi.
I see you have located Captain Quark.
Yeah, we got him, but, well, he thinks he's a monkey.
Oh, I need to change the
course.
title.
Bring him to the
Okay,
Phoenix and we'll see what we can do. Sasha out.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you do that. That's right. And the game's
Yeah?
Ratchet is the last.
Is that how you spell that?
I believe so.
We'll say it is. Yeah.
Look at
Once
that,
again,
Clank.
my friends.
This ship is
Spoilers.
amazing.
Oh my god.
Welcome aboard the Phoenix, gentlemen.
Spoilers.
Whoa.
So many
Impressive,
spoilers.
isn't she? The Phoenix is
It's
the
actually
pride
it's
of the
interesting that
galactic
he, like
fleet.
that's mentioned
She's
like
equipped with
Ratchet is the last
latest
Lombrax.
technology.
Like
Holodeck training suite,
they don't even seem to
auto
care.
vendors for
Like
armor
throughout
and
these three
weapons,
games, it's not even like a
virtual
point of
firing range, starfighter
like conversation
upgrade
with
system,
Ratchet. Like Ratchet
even
doesn't
a
seem to care until the new
Gadgetron
games, and all of a sudden it's like, am I the
VG-9000
last
game
one?
A VG-9000.
Really?
Of course.
See?
Just now
With a
noticing.
Mavix
Yeah.
Fireball Pro controller, VR headset,
Oh, right, this
and
is
a
talking about the new-
zero-G
the
dance
vid.
pad attachment.
Will you marry me?
Well, you obviously had an exhausting trip.
You've
Why don't you
obviously
stop
had an
by your
exhausting trip.
quarters? We prepared a custom living area for Quark, so he won't get in your way. Come meet me on the bridge when you're ready.
To view the world map, press select or R3.
My gun leveled up.
Your weapon has upgraded. Weapons upgrade automatically when they're used frequently.
But yeah, so this is the other thing they did in this is the weapons have multiple levels. I believe it's 5.
As opposed to just upgrading once.
Instead of just having one upgrade and being done. That and also all of your major stuff is there. There's a weapon shop over there, which I think has new weapons. Just we already know what it is. Oh yeah. I'm doing this because this will be awesome if it does it. I've never done this. Like I've said, I've never done this on with the collector's edition, so I don't know if I should read it. Our record show that at one time you've been employed by Gadgetron. 10% discount on all Gadgetron weapons. You've unlocked a new skin. That's actually also a pretty cool one. The suck cannon. Remember the suck cannon from the first game? You guys laughed so hard at. Big suck cannon that like sucked up all the enemies and shot them back out.
Oh yeah. I didn't laugh at that.
Whatever, I remember it. Oh right, okay, so the special skin, right? Skins. It helps if I just go to skins. Old school Ratchet. You can play as the original Ratchet. Yeah, then the Snowman, the Tuxedo Ratchet.
Yeah, it's
A
like
bug.
007.
Yeah. Brainius. The robot. I think you actually changed into that. Trooper. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I don't have it on here. There's one of like, it's like Ratchet with a Infector Max. Oh, is it? I'll get Infector.
This is our onboard.
Okay, I know what it is. It's Armament. And there you buy your first set of armor for $10,000.
Yay.
This is the Phoenix VR deck. Here you can train in combat simulation.
Alright, you can test out any new gadgets you want. And then give you. This will be something I'm only going to do this once. I'm not going to do this robots are actually pretty smart. They know at least to follow you. They're the ones that are like, derp.
Unlike the little...
No, yeah, they were prototype. Yeah, you're right. Sorry. They're prototype. Inception. So you notice that my shots now are actually doing the area effective. I was like, how long do I stay in here? I'm getting bored. Yay! And there, now I can go to 500 bolts. But we're not gonna do that right now. More
But
soon.
it would be so much fun.
Shush. That'll be a recorded
Welcome to
thing.
the
And here you
Phoenix
go,
Trophy Room. Whenever
Right,
a crew
trophy
member
room.
is awarded a Medal of Honor,
Everyone-
it is
when you open them all,
displayed here.
They're right, it goes in there. Yeah, I saw. Thank you. I saw that like right after I said something. I was like, oh.
These are your quarters. I set up the VG9000 to play vid comic discs.
Yeah, yeah, that's where Court goes. They throw a banana
Nice.
and just like put him in the cage. It's so awesome to watch. That's like a sub thing of the game. That's right.
He just ate the peel.
Yeah, the whole thing.
How do you think he got like this?
Well, the life of an intergalactic superhero
that's
can be very stressful.
It'll explain it in a second.
Yeah. Anyway, you're telling me this nutcase is our only hope for stopping Nefarious? We're hosed.
Yeah. But yeah.
This is the
that's-
VG9000 game system. If you have a
If I
vid
remember
comic,
correctly,
you
the
can play
reason
it
why you
here.
end up playing the vid comics, which you have to play through, is to help him get his memory back. He said very questioningly because he can't remember. It may just been something to do.
Great. Meet me on the bridge.
Yeah, we did everything. Lightsaber.
Press triangle to interrupt.
I always love that message. They do it in every game. They press triangle to interrupt the message, and so the very first thing you do is you read it before it gets to saying, you just interrupt it. The message it teaches you how to.
We're losing
interrupt
the
it, so
signal.
you interrupt.
Try boosting the power.
Isn't that the president?
They came out of nowhere! Tyrannoid invasion force! Presidential compound has been breached! Cannot hold out much longer here.
Mr. President. Dad!
Another fun
you
fact, or interesting thing, is that like he's in a completely black. Did you say dad?
Robotic citizens of the Solana Galaxy. The hour of your liberation is at
He said
hand.
dad, and then he said dad?
Have we
Oh,
robots
oh.
suffered
onto the bigotry,
Talking to the
the
president?
stupidity,
Yeah.
the squishiness and
Stupid.
foul
He's doing
stench
sign language
of
and
organic
stupidity
life
is just hitting yourself
forms.
in the head.
Soon, all robots will bask in the liberty and
I love watching his
equality
sign
of
language.
my benevolent, iron-fisted rule. And as for you filthy organic life forms, you can look forward to being disintegrated.
Get it? He dropped
That's all for now.
the camera.
Plot a course from Arcadia. Maximum speed. Prepare the dropship for planetary
Dr.
assault.
Nefarious.
We're going in.
We'll see you on Arcadia.
He has a funny glitch, but I want to see if it's going to happen before I see it. Like Dr. Nefarious, because he's a robot, he has a glitch and it's hilarious. But it's
To
what
view
makes
your
him just
current
so...
missions, select the missions
he's
menu
just
from
so
the pause
stupid,
screen.
but he's so freaking evil. But he's just so, he's like the perfect, like, villain, because you're just watching him going, oh god, so stupid. How did you get by with this? There we go, there's my boost that I wanted. I don't know, boost. Jump boost, I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, here I can upgrade my ship.
I think you do know what I'm talking
I
about.
have no idea what you're talking about.
You said it earlier.
Did not.
You did.
I sure did. And this is the thing, all your weapon upgrades now come with, they cost bolts.
Oh.
You can
Oh,
upgrade
really?
your starfighter systems at
Oh,
this.
that means I'm gonna be taking forever on that one too. He's harder than, Woohoo! Yeah, it's kind of neat that they have everything in one central location. It's kind of nice because it's not so annoying to have. Well, just like in that last game, I wanted to go find one vendor. Like the armor vendors, everywhere. And they all sell different things. It's nice to have just one, and you just check it
A
occasionally.
central.
Glad you made it, sir! The presidential compound is on the other side of the city! Keep your head down! The turnoids are crawling all over the place!
They're searching
Yeah, they really are. They're built that way.
to be dramatic.
Our record show that I want. Why are you telling me that again? I know. The spinning hydra, if I remember correctly, that shoots a beam? I can't remember. Oh, wait. Wrong thing. Nope.
That is not the way you have to go.
Nothing. Yeah! Did it! Another thing they did right. You can interrupt enemies and their shots just don't magically fire off. It's wonderful.
Tap triangle to cycle.
I want to get that. That's cool. Yeah. Oh no! Hey, listen. Here we go. Eat it! I was like, did I just lose audio?
It was like the sound
like,
reset or
yeah,
something.
I think it's what it is. Just
Because of the loop that generated.
how many shots it is. So I'm assuming, no, it's not that many.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's a few. It's easier to use the nitro. Just looking for extra crap. It seems like to be everywhere. Oh yeah. Can't break. I can't have break. That's can't shoot. Okay. Blow up. That's good. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, maybe it's because I have the lights. No, everything is.
Maybe it's glitched?
I clearly didn't need it.
Nice shooting, sir. A second wave of Terranoids just landed. They're attacking the compound from the other side. We could sure use your help.
You got it.
Yeah.
Follow me to the dropship.
Yeah. What? Hey. Oh, around here. I'm gonna. Oh, I don't want to wait for the turn. Hello. Eat it. Yeah, right? They actually have another lava type gun in this too. Yeah. Yeah. The whole time then.
Seeing at least at the level that you had that one was the, you know, bare minimum, just got
Just
it.
bought it.
It seemed like everything was better.
Too wide. But everything else. Only dumb and stupid.
Still not done.
What's the plural for boxes? Boxes! I saw a box of God, frack, I messed that all up.
What?
What is the plural for box? Boxing. I saw a block of boxing. Are you retarded? Apparently. Hey, there, come on, jump in. I did it! Remember, killing them is stupid. Looking for a wall jump area. I'm gonna come back here though, because I saw this on the other side. There was this little wonderful happy area of blowing crap up. Really? That one box survived that?
I was like, no.
No, I will not go up to you. I missed it? Oh, oh god. Time delay on all of this. Oh, I see it. I see it now. I see it. Back. You mean the one that looks like the old school wall jump area? Who the fuck? Gee, I wonder if there's a platinum down there.
No.
No?
No.
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 Obviously.
It's always so weird.
Thank you! Literally, ow. What if there's nothing back? There's always something. Can I just skip that part? Whee! Oh. You know, I did that once and I missed it. It was on like, it wasn't on, I don't think it was on here, like on recording, but like, wish, it was in like the second game, I did it, just right off. Well, alright. Platinum Bolt? No way! Wait, there was a health upgrade? Where's the health upgrade? Because I want the health upgrade. Is that no? That's where is it?
You say that? No, that's health.
You missed the health upgrade. Oh.
They said. It said.
What he said.
That person said.
Shush.
I was talking about you.
What did I say?
When you looked over the ledge, you were like, is that a... No, that's a house. And then just walk around. You'll see.
Okay.
It.
Oh, I have the heck of that. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Looking, ow. Looking up, not down. Found that help. Looking for health upgrades. Okay, I'm back at the beginning. Back here. Nope, here. I think you forget who you're dealing with. Probably learned this already. Wait, what? Are you never minding me because I'm an idiot, or are you never minding me because you didn't see it either? Or you don't remember where it is? Yes, this is on PS3.
I think they might be saying the health upgrade.
Oh, it's not on the PS3 version? Oh, that's okay.
Trying to sit up straight.
Yeah, I gave up that a long time ago.
Even when, like, I have my lower back straight, but my upper back is like, no,
yeah.
I don't want to sit up straight.
3,000 volts! Oh my good lord! Let's go! Neptune, Poseidon, and the whole Fury. What?
Sarge, you're just in time. We must defend the presidential palace.
Good job.
Well, I can't reach the floor, but I'm sitting on this thing.
Oh, hey, those are enemies. Okay, good, they're dying. I was shooting at the big mechs and not even paying attention to the little dudes that were like shooting at me.
If I get that couch, will I do a better shot?
I can't give you the items to get through. That's true. No, I'm not sitting for sitting. What? Don't
You
judge
have
me.
5 million chairs in this room.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Don't let me tell you that. Okay.
Now we're
Yay, maxing out on
Area secure. Nice work, ladies. Let's move out.
Do we need it again? Yeah, I can fight one thing.
Sarge, cover those rangers. If we lose the whole squad, it's all over. Incoming!
Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah. More? Okay, I was like, there more, so it's really turned around and watched. That is on you.
Short?
You can sit in the chair. You don't have to see the TV.
I can't sit in the chair.
You can sit in the chair.
No, because I can't
Then
see
can't see
anything.
over the TV.
Over the monitor.
Oh,
See the
can't
TV.
see, you can't see the TV. that.
From the chair?
Words! Phrases, expressions. Let's not know these things. I'm gaming, I can't think logistical thoughts on gaming sometimes. It's not possible. Dash. Dash, Space Gum! Oh crap, it's fired no shot. Oh good, I didn't catch it. Yeah, I think there's something you get if you blow up the big ships.
Oh. Just like ran into the ship.
Thanks, Sarge.
No,
You saved
no,
our
no.
hands.
Up until the racing ones.
I am so glad that you said that because that is exactly what I am not going to do. I am going to do Sly Cooper. I will do Jack and Daxter after that.
He's gonna be sad now.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I love Jack and Daxter, sorta. I'm sorry. Jack and Daxter is like the worst out of this trilogy for me. Like, I love Ratchet and Clank to death. I love Sly Cooper to death. And then I just like Jack and Daxter. Like, the first game, okay, don't get me, okay. The first game of Jack and Daxter, Jack and Daxter, love it to pieces. Oh my good lord. I played the crap out of that game. The other two, not so much. Yeah, we would definitely use like this. That is definitely not
Let it have it, Sarge.
Swift taught me how to do this. Yeah!
Got about halfway past you. Just leave the gun.
Never said I was good at this. Just said I could play it. Yeah, okay, now to be 100% fair about my dislike of Jack and Daxter, I played the third one, but I did not beat it. The only one I legit beat was the first one. I got really far in the second one, but I just lost interest in it. To be completely honest, I just wasn't really down for it because I didn't like where the story was going. I didn't like a lot of it. So yeah, there was that. Because I like to.
Nice shooting, Sarge. We can take it from here.
Have I played Dark Cloud? I have. I'm just trying to remember it. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. I haven't beaten it.
We need that turret back
There's a lot of games
online.
that you've played.
Oh gosh, yeah. No, the list of games played versus games beaten is massively different.
Yes.
There are a lot of games that I've played growing up that I'm just like, yeah. Dark Cloud wasn't a bad game. I might need to figure that one out. That would be a fun game to play. I like the old school games, like, especially, like, I think I played Dark Cloud 2 more than I did the original. I own that game.
We'll have this baby back up in no time.
Let's see if I can get Dark Cloud 1 maybe. Sure.
Actually, after Nintendo 64, I stopped beating games so much. Like, I beat every game that I had multiple times. But once the other, like, I had so many games after that, that it was just kind of like, oh,
Right.
and then you played different ones, because you get
So
bored
there were,
of that
you got a
one.
lot of games that came out there.
Yeah.
Kid was super fat. Yeah! Level up. Sorry.
Kid with the Super Bowl hat.
I have played
and
Spore.
Start
Yes, I have played Spore. I much enjoyed Spore.
Keep it up. The repairs are almost finished.
Good. I can do both, and also I can speak up. I just realized I'm sitting really far away from the mic, and I ran out of ammo.
Do you want me to move it?
No, I will.
Now we'll give those noids a taste of
I just realized, like, the whole time I'm sitting there rocking, I'm scooting further and further back. I just realized. There. My bad. And I will also turn the game down ever so slightly. There.
Noids have launched an all-out assault. We need those air defenses online yesterday.
Enemies appear red on the radar. Allies appear blue. Mission objectives appear green.
Every time I go into your house, you guys
Press square to attach the wrench to the bolt crank.
and then block me.
Also very
These turrets can only target aircraft. You'll need to handle the ground troops yourself.
There, is that better now that I'm actually like scooted back up and speaking?
Speaking? You were speaking before.
Well, I mean, I wasn't doing as well as I could have. Oh, and that was the other cool thing. This game, they also introduced multiplayer. You can do, well, okay, different type of multiplayer. It's versus not co-op. And it's kind of weird. I don't know when we get access to it, but I remember it. It's interesting.
Yeah, it did. Did you see like the gun?
Yeah, just the gun part of it. They're doing well. I don't know why you're coming out.
Because they're built to be dramatic.
That's what we do.
Work out.
Just shoot until it dies. We're all gonna die. Good. I'm glad it's better. I didn't realize until like I did it, like until you mentioned it, that I was like, stop scooting back. I'm like, yeah, I scooted way back. Ah.
What's your favorite game of all time? And then what's up the other?
What is my favorite game of all time? Was it the same person who said here that?
Yeah. I would say that they're probably.
I was like, if they're not actually here, I'm not gonna answer that just yet.
Yeah.
I'll think about it though. What is my favorite game of all time?
But there's a lot of games.
Yeah, there really are. There's only one that's my favorite. Get it? There's another thing fixed. I don't have to. I just hold the controller. In the other games, you had to rotate it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and it got super annoying because if your finger missed the rotation,
Yeah, it would, like,
Ratchet would go.
Agent Clank? You're even more impressive
Oh, and this is
in person
yeah.
than you
So he's
are on
Agent
the
Clank.
hologram.
One of the things we
And I
didn't
must
get to
say, I've
see
never seen
this
a
in this game,
chauffeur
the last
fight
game,
like you do,
is the
son.
PSP game
Who says
Agent
you
Clank,
can't find good help
in which
these
it kind of
days,
goes
right, Clank?
through. Clank
Sasha's told me a
becoming
lot about you.
like TV.
Don't get any ideas, kid. She is way out of your league.
She's way
Sasha
out of
filled
your
me in on
league.
the Quark situation. I'm told the man thinks he's a monkey.
A monkey?
He has lost memory, sir.
I was
Well,
told
then
the
you'll
man
simply
thinks
have to
he's a
find it
monkey?
for him. We need our star player back in the game ASAP. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
It
good.
tells me you're a man who's good with his hands, Ratchet.
Sir, I swear I never.
The
I've been
city's
streaming
laser
for a
shield
long
went down during
Yeah.
the attack. Now we are defenseless without it.
I'll let
Sent
you
out a
highlight
repairman to
this
fix
one.
it,
No.
but he disappeared. I need you to get that shield system back online.
I still have like
Yes,
4
sir.
other videos
We're
I
on.
have
You
to highlight.
do.
That's fine. This one will just be saved till right before it gets deleted.
Right.
I'll just be like, okay, highlight. Highlight.
Oh, there's that. This is like an all-day highlight. Yeah, my bad. It's worth it. It's been fun. Got into the third game. New gun. And that it's a utility gun. It's not like shooty. Oh yeah, I remember this gun.
The refractor will let you redirect laser beams. Just equip it and stand in the path of the laser. Hold L1 and use the left analog stick to aim the beam.
Well, no, it's not like this part's not bad, obviously, because it's at the beginning.
Yeah.
But it gets pretty freaking ridiculous as time goes on.
Like crazy hectic.
Yeah. You're right. So, like, you stand in the beam. But then once you do it, it's done. Space Punk. I wanted to test it. I wanted to test it. That was a me.
I'm like, why
I
did
did
you
that on
just run
purpose because I
through
wanted to
it?
see if it would hurt, and it did. So, yeah.
Did you feel bad?
No, I did not choose while you were gone. In fact, I waited specifically for you to
Come back.
For you to come back. My favorite game. My favorite game of all time. Well, outside of Ratchet and Clank, which is like one of my favorites of all time. So, okay. So my favorite game of all time, and this is an interesting choice. Yeah, I totally waited for that one. My favorite game. Okay, so I need a moment to explain this because I don't even know if like anybody's gonna actually understand this game. But it was a game that came out for PS2 called The Bouncer. I don't think it was very popular. I haven't seen a copy of it on shelves in forever. Like, I found one copy like 8 years ago, and I just like, I say 8 years ago, it was like, no, it was 7 years ago, yeah.
I think
like,
years ago counts then.
Well, yeah. Well, I was thinking, like, trying to think of when it was. But it was a fighting game that had this beautiful storyline, and it was just so wonderful. And it was one of the first PlayStation 2 games I ever played. It was like the first game I had outside of Ratchet and Clank, and it wasn't Ratchet and Clank. I mean, I love Ratchet and Clank, and it's like my number like 1.5 of like favorite games. But The Bouncer was just, it was so amazing. The characters are so amazing, and I was just like, and I will click on that link when we're done because I don't know where it's, oh, I do know actually where it's gonna open. And boop. Yep, that is it. The Bouncer. Yep, that was it. Yeah. Well, I mean, obviously you could find it if you Google search it. But man, oh man, I love that game more than I probably should have. He just found it on Amazon for $50. Is it brand new? I wonder. It's gotta be. We may be seeing Bouncer gameplay because if I could find a working copy, because the game I shot the nitro thing without meaning to. But the game I found for it that I thought was going to be like my best friend in the world ended up, it didn't work. I was very upset about that, by the way. But it didn't work. But, yeah, I would pay $50 to get this game. Yeah, I would. I mean, I paid it once. Actually, it was like $30 back then because games weren't, oh my god, expensive. God, level up. There! Look, God, just level up!
Hold circle to charge up the shock blaster for a more powerful attack.
And now I have nothing to test it on. Love shooting laser beams? Oh, yeah, every day. Shooting me? I'm a dude shooting laser beams. What could be better? No, I don't know. Okay, so what I would pay $50 for it. But that's also because it has a lot of nostalgia value for me. I don't know There's only one. Oh, I see. I see what you're getting at here. I see where we're going. We're not asking for friendly advice. We're gonna take it from you. I see. That's cool. That's cool. You know what? I hope you get it, and I hope you love it, and I hope it works great for you, and then I hope when you're done, you mail it to me. So that I can play it. But no, I don't know, like, I just absolutely love that game to pieces. And it really wasn't like, oh my god, oh, sweet Neptune, amazing. To me, like, the mechanics now, like, looking back on it, like, compared to, like, Mortal Kombat and, like, real fighting games nowadays, I mean, it's nothing. But just, you know, like I said, for me, it was just, like, back in the day, it was, oh my
Ratchet,
god.
there should be a spider symbol somewhere in that room.
Be really careful.
Use the beam to lead the spider drone over the symbol, and then zap it with the laser.
Come on, spider. Come on, spider. Go, spider. Oh, is there really only one? Oh. That is an entirely fair statement. My bad. I'm so sorry. But, like, I like Dark Cloud, I just didn't really get into it as much as I should, and I think part of the problem is that back in the day, when I played Dark Cloud,
this weapon upgrade features a lock-on mod. To lock on to enemies, press and hold L2 and R2.
The fact that there was one.
Oh, do I have them? I don't have my boots yet. I thought that'd be like his favorite game. I don't know what you're doing. Nope, put it on. Oh well. Well, fine. But no, I like Dark Cloud. I wouldn't mind playing Dark Cloud. If I can find a way to play it, I will. Oh, that's what I was saying. Like, I like Dark Cloud. I liked the game when it came out. My only problem was when I played it, like, I think I was too immature for it at the time, and it, like, to me, like, it had a lot of reading, if I remember correctly.
Oh, so you didn't want to sit
Yeah,
there and read
like,
it?
the young Z did not want to sit and take the time to read, because reading was not what young Z liked to do. Young Z liked to play games that had voiceover acting. Because, you know, usually Ratchet and Clank, Sly Cooper, Jack and Daxter, the Bouncer, all have voiceover. I died.
Makes sense.
So, you good? You good?
Well, after
Yeah,
I hit my toe on your foot,
yeah. Oh, what'd you hit on there?
I then proceeded to, like, practically punch my toe on accident
awesome.
when I was trying to get my shoe.
Very cool. Always fun to do that. Especially when it's not my fault. Ah! I feel like I'm about to get my gravity boots. Or whatever, the magna boots, that's what they're, magna boots.
Hey, look, it's Al.
He's from the
Got
first
the
game.
shields up yet?
Silence! I am concentrating.
What the? That's a Quark Vid comic.
Excuse me. It is a historically accurate interactive graphic novel.
How can you use the city's defense network to play a video game?
Simple. I bypassed the security server with a 626 hex matrix adapter and reprogrammed the graphic subprocessor.
No, I mean, it's... Clank, you speak, nerd.
It appears you have a feedback loop in the induction coils of your DB3 signal processor.
Yeah, I'd like to point out the reason why the shields went up is because we were trying to play a video game.
Hey, there is a feedback loop. I don't know what happened.
May we borrow this vid comic?
Treat it gently. It is a first edition.
Perhaps this will
Oh,
help
is that
restore Quark's
the
memory.
tutu?
Shield power restored.
You may have to. You're gonna have to remind me of that the next time we play because I think I'm gonna have to wrap it up after we get off this planet. Oop, telepad. Oh wait, I didn't get my boots. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up after we get done here, which is right about now. Yeah. I collected the ammo that was sitting there.
Oh.
The game does a thing, like anytime you, I guess now every time you leave an area it auto collects loose debris, but I didn't have any,
Any what?
Wow, it just blinked. I didn't have any room for more ammo, so it didn't pick it up, and then auto picked it up. But like I said, if you guys haven't, go ahead and follow us if you don't mind on here. That way you can get your email updates when I go live. Like I said though, I'll be live on Thursdays and Sundays. It'll be 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Except for Sundays. Sunday, depending on my schedule, I may start at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time, like I did today. Today I started at 4:40. It's just kind of whenever I feel like it. Yeah, we're buying that.
It was like 4 hours ago.
Hold circle to target multiple enemies with the spitting hydra.
It's a long stream.
Release circle to fire.
My streams are like,
an hour.
But that's because I do online shooters, multiplayer, so.
You didn't just beat the final boss of a game and go to the second game, and now you're like, oh my god!
There are no bosses in the games I play.
That's your own fault.
Well, I guess technically Bayonetta, but I like my first-person shooters.
Yes, I'm the only one playing Ratchet and Clank. Yeah, because she plays shooter games. Six plays scary games, even though now he's playing Shadow Warrior. Swift plays shooting or flying simulator type games. Racing, the likes. And
Stoop plays whatever he wants.
Stoop plays games. He actually so far he's been playing like strategy games. Has been kind of like the thing, but then he started playing this Fortress thing. I don't know. Trying to think. Did I miss anybody? No, I got everybody.
I think so. Yeah.
And then eventually, I think we're gonna turn
one of those.
Maybe Sunday. We might turn Sundays into like League of Legends Sundays. I don't know. It depends. I have a friend of mine. We're gonna do some trial runs with League, and if both of us are just awful at it, like I'm not gonna stream it.
Come on, it'll make it awesome.
Like
it'll make it hilarious.
No.
Because we'll all just.
Well, to say really, to be honest, with our whole team, we actually could form a team, except for Stoops, because Stoops doesn't. I don't know. Maybe he would.
I mean, it's online. I don't see why. If he wants to.
Yes, I've played Castle Crashers, and yes, it is really fun. I like that game. I had it on Xbox. Have it on Xbox 360. Yeah.
I had to get rid of my Xbox 360.
Sucks for you. Mine's over here. I don't know. Mine's somewhere over here. It's not hooked up right now.
I got rid of mine so I'd have less stuff to move somewhere.
That's fair.
And I ended up not moving there.
That's very fair.
And then I was like, oh my god. Why?
So
sad.
But yeah, so that's the group. But like I said, I would go ahead and follow anyways, even though you're obviously you want to watch Ratchet and Clank, because and this is where it gets interesting. I stream on Thursdays and Sundays, but if anybody ever bows out for whatever reason, I generally take over and play Ratchet and Clank. So like last week, or actually the week before, when you couldn't stream in your 2 days,
want to watch one of us,
or you could watch one of the wonderful other streamers. We all know you're gonna watch me. It's okay. Anyways, but like 2 weeks ago, I streamed like 4 days in a row.
Watch me.
Yeah, she actually is pretty cool. When she,
Ish.
Yeah. On a good day.
Yeah.
Who just besieged what? Anyways.
I haven't had internet
that's
for like a month.
Haven't got a chance to play in a while. Anyways, but I'm the one that opts in anytime any of the crew is out. So, thank you. I appreciate it. I haven't got my emails. I apologize. Normally I get emails.
Yay!
But we appreciate all of that kind of stuff because obviously it helps us. And as we oh, right on. Oh, okay, cool, great. I'm glad to have you guys back then. Like I apologize for that. Like I don't keep my bad. Anyways, right. But yeah, I'm trying to think.
You
We're
just
done.
said like all of it.
I said all of it. Yeah. Well, I'm trying to think like if there's anything else. Yeah, that's about all I got. So, I want to thank you guys very much for watching. Kat, do you have anything you want to say? As I've already
You've already said everything.
My mouthful of words.
You can watch me. You can. It's on Wednesdays and
Fridays.
Saturdays.
Saturday's Stoops. We need to get this on like a board against the wall here, so we can just be like, yeah,
that day.
Yeah.
You can watch me on Wednesdays and Fridays. Okay, yeah, I said that right.
Yeah.
I had to think about it.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah.
I really do need to make like an actual printout schedule
so we can like look at it.
Yeah.
Oh, and also the game list on here is gonna be changing, but that's beside the point. You don't need to know about that. Doesn't matter. Okay. So, anyways, that about wraps up for what we're gonna be doing today. We thank you very much for watching. And we'll see you guys next time. Oh God.
You right there?
Yeah, that was great. I'm waiting to like